Hello, my name is Dr. Paul Richardson and I am the clinical program leader at the Jerome Lipper Multiple Myeloma Center and the director of clinical research there now at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute in Boston. Here at the ASCO meeting, we held a US investigator meeting for the Determination trial. This is the large upfront phase 3 study in patients who are transplant eligible, aged 65 years and younger, in whom we are testing the concept of where best does transplant belong. In both arms of the study, patients will undergo autologous stem cell transplant. The question is simply, where does it best suit them and in what time in their treatment course? In this study, patients receive 3-drug triple therapy at the beginning. That's given for 3 cycles, then stem cell mobilization follows, and then depending on the treatment assignment, patients either get a transplant at that point, followed by RVD consolidation and Revlimid maintenance until progression, or they get additional cycles of RVD to a total of, in fact, 5 cycles, and then lenalidomide maintenance, and upon relapse, get access immediately to transplant after successful salvage. Now, this trial has become a top priority across the United States. It is the lead trial for the Clinical Trials Network. So-called number is actually 1304, and we've given it the name Determination. Determination means delayed versus early transplant with triple therapy and Revlimid maintenance. And determination is the right term, we feel, for it too, because it captures the flavor of the importance of this trial, of being able to ascertain what is the best sequence of treatments in patients and so further improve our ability to tailor therapy. The news at the meeting is that whilst the French trial is fully accrued and analyses and outcomes data are awaited for there probably will not be information from that trial for a little while longer, in fact, because of the times required to learn about outcomes. Having said that, the US trial continues to accrue robustly, and in fact, as multiple centers now join the trial, we're now over 280 patients enrolled. Our target total accrual is actually approximately 660, and we're very hopeful of being able to accrue that by the end of next year or the beginning of 2016. For patients, there are a number of very important aspects to the trial which we hope are helpful. One of the most important to mention is that through our pharma partners, we're able to offer our study medications without charge. This is particularly important in the current economic environment. I think beyond, of course, those logistical considerations are the fact that patients will get expert care in the management of their initial 3-drug therapy. They'll be very carefully monitored, and they'll be very carefully assessed throughout their treatment course with the benefits that that will bring. I think just as important, though, is by participating in this trial, patients will really help the field and help future patients best know what best therapy would suit them when they're newly diagnosed and transplant eligible. So again, we had an exciting and positive meeting with our US investigators, and again, we are very encouraged by progress to date, and will continue, obviously, to look forward to further enrollment and continued information from the study over the next year and a half.